Hello guys, welcome. Okay, I put my phone wrong side. Now let's start the video. Today's our lecture is very important, and today's we are reading about mm, sorry, uh, 12th class second year book, chapter number 3, computer science book. We are reading about these most important questions. To let's start the video. This video is long, but don't skip my video and watch complete video. Today's I tell about all important question of the chapter 3 databases and design process. To let's start the video, first of all subscribe my youtube channel, press the bell icon and also share with your friend. To let's start the video because I do not want to waste your time and do not want to long my introduction in this my video because you are knowing myself. To let's start the video. The first question is define the term of analysis. A process of studying the existing system is known as analysis. Understood? Now, next question is most important question. What is the purpose of analysis? Question mark. Understand? The basic of analysis is to know which activities are performed in the current system. Understood? Next, the analysis also determines what should take place in the new system. Understood? Now, next, third question. Write the purpose of feasibility study. I think this complete chapter is about programming and study and theories. Let's start. Feasibility study is conducted to investigate the required database system. It determines whether the proposed system is affordable, possible, and acceptable. Understood? It also determines the area of project that should be started first. Understand? Okay, I repeat this line. It also determines the area of the project that should be started first. I think you are understand. Now I am reading next question. If any question, give us comment. Why is requirement analysis conducted? This is fourth question and this is very important question. The requirement analysis is conducted to gather the requirements for the project. These requirements include the possible inputs for database and the required functionality of project. It is also used to define the possible domain and restrictions related to the system. Understood? Next question is a very important question of this video. Very important question. What is the importance of project planning? Understood? Now I am reading this point. A comprehensive planning and schedule must be developed to complete the project. These requirements include the possible inputs for database and required functionality of project. Okay, understood? Okay, next line. It is also used to define the possible domain and restrictions related the system. I think you are all understand. this question. Now we are reading next question. Question number 5. What is the importance of project planning? A comprehensive planning and schedule must be developed to complete the project successfully. All cost factors are also taken into consideration. Different cost factors include salaries of team members. Okay, Fakjoji, thank you. Of the team members, logistics, digital camera. Oh, some messages are on coming on WhatsApp. Okay, we are here. I think we are of team members. One of team members. Logistics and hardware costs. Understand this question, and next question is short question, and it's very short and important question to for board. Which activities are involved in data analysis? I think you are mostly listening this question because this is very important question. But which activities are involved in data analysis? Data analysis involves the activities of data flow diagram, DFD. Understood? DFD mean data flow diagrams, short form DFD. Decision tables and decision trees. Next question, question number 7. What is data modeling and its ingredients? The data modeling is a process of identifying data objects and relationships between them. The ingredients of data modeling are entity, object or object, attribute, and relationship. I think you are understand this question. Now I am reading next question number 8. To let's start the question. And if you any question in these 7 questions, you can comment. I reply you and create on your question video. Create a video on your question. So let's start question number 8. Define entity or object. Anything that is participating in the system is known as entity or object. Understood? Next, an entity and can be a person, place, thing, or event for which data is collected and maintained in the system. Understood? Next question, question number 9. Write some examples of entity. Some examples of entity are teacher, city, toy, and sale, etc. Okay, next question number is 10. Let's start question number 10. Define an attribute and give an example of attribute. Let's start the video. Let's start the question. Question number 10. The characteristics characteristics of an entity are called attribute or properties. sorry for this, or properties, and some examples. Some examples of attributes of teacher are name, gender, and telephone, etc. Understood? Understood. Now next, an attribute is represented by an oval. Okay, understand? Next, question number 11. What is a relationship? Give an example. A logical connection between different entities is called relationship. For example, a relationship exists between a student and teacher because teacher teaches student. The entities that participate in a relationship are called participants. Next, list different types of relationships. Okay, the relationship can be one to one, one to many, many to many, and last is recursive. Recursive. Understood this question? And the next question number 12. I am starting. If you don't mind, I remember you subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and also share with your friends. Differentiate between cardinality and modality. The maximum number of instances of one entity associated with each instance of the related entity is known as cardinality. The minimum number of instances of one entity associated with each instance of the related entity is known as modality. Understood this question? Now next, short question, very short question. What symbols are used to show the cardinality of one and many? Question number 13. The cardinality of one is shown using the symbol of a vertical line. The cardinality of many is shown using the symbol of crowfoot. Next question, last question of no sorry, the third last question. How can you identify of a relationship is optional? Oh, okay. Sparrows are there. Optional or mandatory. The relationship is called. I think this is last second last question of this video. This is called the relationship is called optional when the minimum number is 0. The relationship is called mandatory when the minimum number is 1. What is the primary objective of ER diagram? This is the last question of this video. Okay, let's start. The primary objective on an ER diagram is to represent entities and their relationships. I think you are liking my video. and send you your friends, share with your friends. Okay, if you do not subscribe my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Okay, goodbye, see you soon.